I don't know who will dare to send their daughter as his wife.
We have Ganga who works in my house. She's not yet married. How many times should I tell you?
Here is your coffee, madam.
Actually, I convinced Ganga for your elder brother and got them married only to bring me an attendant here. Don't make me sit next to this servant and slave. They should have their meal only after we finish eating. I know. I regret having got them separated. Can we get them back?
Sir, I made these sweets for you.
Name it as Ganga Sweet Shop.
What is this, mother? You did all this without telling us. How come you gave them all the money without even having a word? You helped them start the sweet business, right? I got to know everything.
What are you talking about, beta? How can I have so much money? I heard your father gave them the money. Don't you know about this? He didn't tell you?
Shyam was listening to this. He came to the spot.
Yeah. My brother came to tell us. You weren't awake at that point. I thought of saying this to you, but I forgot.
How come such big things have been forgotten? I really can't understand what's actually happening in this house.
Don't make a scene now. The money was given by your father. Isn't that right?
How could my father give such a huge amount without my knowledge? I really don't understand this. The sweets business is growing and is getting great patronage, making Pradeep and Ganga busier. Now everyone in and around the village are aware of Ganga's sweet shop. Rani couldn't bear this. This all happened because her father gave the money as investment. She goes to her house.
Hey, I heard your daughter got a match.
Yes, Mohan, the match is fixed. I'm going to the town to get some good sweets. I placed the order well in advance so that they can prepare them fresh and on time.
Why to go that far, Sohan? There's this shop called Ganga Sweets just 2 villages away. Reach to them. It's far better than the taste you get in the town and also at reasonable prices. I bought sweets for my niece's wedding and they were delicious.
Oh, is it? Even I heard about it. It's in Rampur, right? I will go there.
Sohan arrives at Rampur to get some sweets. There he meets Rani, who was actually on her way to her father's house.
My dear child, do you know where the Ganga sweet shop is?
I don't know. For sweet, you should go to the town. What are you doing here?
Yeah, maybe you are from the other village just like me because you don't know where the Ganga sweet shop is in Rampur. People come from all corners to purchase Ganga sweets. It is okay, dear. I will find it myself.
This is all because of my father. He has actually made her dance on my head. I'll show her. Rani reaches her house with tremendous anger. Dad, why did you have to give money to Ganga's business without even asking me? Didn't you ever think about discussing this with your daughter?
What happened, dear? Why are you so angry? Please understand, Ganga is like your sister.
Nonsense. How could she become my sister? I just wanted someone at my husband's place who can help me as an attendant, and that was the reason I chose her as a daughter-in-law of the house. She was a pawn, and now you have turned her into an empress. You are the reason, Dad.
Ganga got the name because I helped them set the shop, dear. It is easier to get into a business, but only because of the hard work and commitment, the wife and the husband have been doing good and earning name. I will also invest on you if you want to start a business with your husband.
Whatever, Dad. Frankly, I didn't like what you did. Don't you do anything without my permission from now on. I'm leaving now. Rani returns to her husband's house. That night, she tells her husband, Dear, we will also open a sweet shop. An ordinary worker like Ganga has earned such a name. Just imagine how big we can make.
It's because my sister-in-law is excellent in cooking. She gained so much name not for nothing, and we have to realize this. You just know how to eat and you don't do any hard work. There's nothing you get without working hard.
I don't care about that. We are starting a sweet shop business, that's it. I don't care what you do, how much money you spend. It should be located opposite to their store and it should be bigger than their shop.
This is all fine, but who is going to be the chef? We both are bad at cooking and we don't know even the basics in cooking. We should hire a chef from the city. We're not even experienced in all these affairs. It's not that public will start gathering right in front of your shop once you launch it. It will take a long time to get success. Go to sleep. We'll think about it tomorrow.
Both Rani and Shyam are now engaged in the groundwork to launch their business. All of a sudden one day, Rani's father dies due to heart attack. Along with Rani, Pradeep and Ganga feel extremely sad listening to this news. After a few days, Pradeep with his wife comes to meet his mother.
Mom, how is Rani? Is she over her father's sudden death? Has she come out of the pain? We feel bad for her.
Everyone feels sad when it comes to their parents, right? He was a man of good heart. No one expected this to happen so suddenly.
Rani was listening to all this from the next door.
Yes, mother. It is because of his grace that we are where we are today. Because of his kindness and financial help on that day, we were able to start business. This is all his blessing.
After a while, they leave. The same night, Rani tells her husband, "Dear, you said we need some experience to start the business, right? Now we should stay with your brother for some time and know all the business logistics. What do you say?"
Does it look good if you go and sit in my brother's shop now?
Okay, I have an idea. Please do as I say. Next day, in the morning, Sham goes to Pradeep.
Brother, Rani is very sad because of her father's sudden death. I feel sad looking at her. I think she will get some relief and can divert her mind if she sits in our sweet shop for a few days, watches the passerby. Hope this is fine with you. Who will say no to Rani, madam, brother? It's completely fine. This is all because of her father's kindness. Can you ask the sister-in-law if she is okay, brother? She won't say a word. Don't worry. Tell her it's her own shop.
Now, after sitting at the shop, Rani slowly understands business aspects, but most importantly, profit and loss components of the business. Once again, she starts treating Ganga as a servant. Soon realizing this, Ganga goes to her husband and starts complaining to him. "Pradeep, Rani is yet again trying to dominate us.
I feel like all is not well. I'm feeling suspicious. I have a strong feeling she's here with some negative thoughts in her mind. What do you think?"
True. I too have started to feel the same. I couldn't say a word because she's Mahinder sir's daughter. We can't say no as easy as we said yes. I don't know what to do.
After a few days, one day the milkman comes to Rani and asks her,
Madam, I haven't got the milk money. Can you give it to me now?
"Okay, take this."
What is this, madam? 300? It's 450. Ganga and I had a deal for that amount.
Everyone out there is charging 300. Why should I give you 450? Tell me.
I'm giving pure milk. That's why I cost 450. And all these were already discussed with Ganga. Please call Ganga, madam.
Why should I ask her? This is my shop. If you want to do a business, do as I say. Milkman goes to Ganga and explains her what has happened with Rani. Ganga along with the milkman comes to shop.
Rani ma'am, if we want to run our sweet shop, we need good milk. We had agreed on 450. This agreement had happened long ago. It's not right to give him just 300. Please give him the balance and send him back, Rani ma'am. Okay?
I will only pay 300. I know how to run the business. You will also get 1000 rupees as your monthly salary. Don't argue with me, alright?
Okay. You leave. I'll talk to you later. Fine? Rani, who are you to give me salary in my own shop?
This shop is set up with my father's investment. You haven't paid any interest till now, and regarding the returns on the investment, you never talked about it to me. That's why I've taken over.
I made you sit here because you were in depression, and now you're doing this to me. Your father had helped us for sure because we worked for him with loyalty and sincerity. This is not a debt, but if you want me to pay back, I will pay back the money.
Who the hell are you to give me money? I will give salary every month. If you wish to work, do it, or else you can leave. I'm changing the shop name from now on. It's not Ganga Sweet Shop. It's going to be Rani Sweet Shop from today. You can leave the place now.
Ganga leaves the place and comes back to Pradeep. I already told you before. I knew about her mind. She did it again. What to do now?
What can we do now? We always trust our hard work. We will open a new shop at some other place. We have God's blessing with us.
Close to the existing shop, Ganga opens another shop soon. They are successful again in no time, thanks to their quality and sincerity. After a few days,
Hello, miss. Give me 5 kilos sweets. Should exactly taste like the last time I took for a marriage. Where's your owner?
why will I have an owner? I don't have any owners. I am the owner of this shop.
Okay. I have seen you somewhere already. Yeah. I remember now. You were the one who didn't know anything about Ganga Sweet Shop. Why are you here then?
This is not Ganga's shop. She was our chef, not the owner. She was arrogant and she has opened up a new shop now. But why should I answer all your damn questions? Is 5 kilos enough or you need anything else?
Yeah, okay. But first give me a sweet to taste.
Okay, taste this. These are all ghee sweets. It'll be 10 times better than what you ate before. Try out.
Are these really ghee sweets? This doesn't have any taste and the mark of Ganga.
What's the matter?
It's sari function to my daughter. I was here to get some sweets, but now she's standing here. She gives me a sweet. It tastes worse than her words.
It was Ganga who used to run the shop earlier. Now her store is located just 2 shops away.
Oh, is it? If you weren't here, I would have bought these and suffered, and I would have lost my image.
Sohan goes to Ganga sweet shop and gets what he wants. And now this keeps happening more regularly. Rani's frustration is just growing. Ever since the name of the shop was changed, the customer footfall had fallen badly.
What happened, Rani? Why are you so dull? What's the matter?
What could it be? Everyone is speaking about the sweets made by that servant, and no one likes the sweets from our shop. Everyone is running to Ganga.
You got it now, Rani? Ganga and Pradeep started business after they learned something. Now they can run the business at any place because of their hard work. But you thought experience is nothing in front of money. Now you're dependent on others and you're running your business at a loss. At least now take some good decisions. It will make your life better and ours too.